Outsourcing in civil engineering is no longer just a measure for reducing costs. It has become a strategic tool to unlock real value. Around the world, firms are facing the same pressure: the shortage of skilled engineers, the demands of tighter deadlines, and the constant expectation to deliver more with less. In this context, success depends not only on technical ability, but also on flexibility, resilience, and the capacity to adapt to change. For many years, outsourcing was treated as a temporary fix, something to lean on during peak workloads. But today, it is increasingly clear that outsourcing can be much more than that. When handled strategically, it can serve as a foundation for growth, a driver of innovation, and a way to secure long-term stability for complex projects. The real strength of outsourcing lies in its ability to free up internal talent. By assigning non-core tasks to trusted partners, in-house engineers can focus on the bigger picture on vision, strategy, and innovation. This shift means shorter delivery times, fewer revisions, and more efficient use of resources. With advanced tools like Civil 3D and detailed 3D visualization, outsourcing also improves communication across stakeholders, ensuring clarity, precision, and alignment at every stage. Outsourcing also brings scalability. Civil engineering projects are rarely steady. They fluctuate between heavy peaks and quiet valleys. Maintaining a large permanent team can be costly, while too small a team can leave opportunities untapped. Outsourcing solves this challenge by creating the flexibility to expand or contract capacity without sacrificing quality. This not only helps firms compete for more projects, it also builds consistency and reduces risks caused by sudden changes in demand. But outsourcing is not just about numbers, schedules, or technology. At its core, it is about people and partnerships. True value emerges when an outsourcing partner becomes more than a provider, when that partner works as an extension of the team, sharing responsibility and investing in outcomes. That requires stability, communication, and a culture of accountability. This is where AXA Engineers makes a difference. Rather than treating outsourcing as a transaction, AXA Engineers approaches every project as a collaboration. By fostering an environment where engineers thrive, not just perform, AXA Engineers builds teams that are motivated, consistent, and dedicated to delivering value. AXA Engineers also helps partners reduce risks by embedding quality into every stage of the process. Accuracy and reliability are not treated as afterthoughts, but as principles woven into daily work. This means fewer mistakes, fewer delays, and greater peace of mind for firms that rely on AXA Engineers to support their projects. Scalability is another area where AXA Engineers brings clear benefits. With a flexible workforce model, AXA Engineers allows partners to manage fluctuations in demand without the stress of overstaffing or understaffing. This flexibility transforms uncertainty into stability, giving firms the confidence to take on new opportunities and meet even the tightest deadlines. Perhaps most importantly, AXA Engineers represents the kind of partnership that civil engineering outsourcing needs to succeed. By aligning with long-term goals, communicating transparently, and treating every project with care, AXA Engineers enables design firms to focus on growth while knowing that their projects are in capable hands. In the end, outsourcing in civil engineering is not just about saving time or cutting costs. It is about unlocking new ways of working, creating resilience, and building value that lasts. With the right approach and with partners like AXA Engineers, outsourcing becomes the key to turning challenges into opportunities, risks into advantages, and complex projects into lasting success.